Hello, everybody. It's me, Tim, the tour guide, working with ecotourism and many things, doing directly from Brazil, mainly about Pantanal, and doing that in English, guiding in English. With the same situation as we were with a big group of tourism, that's another song that you share for you to have fun, just to have fun and not professional one. But the main point, once more, I'm sharing with you is to entertain and to relaxing and it's about countryside music, sertanejo, you know, uh, that is talking about Pantanal. I love it. Okay, appreciate. Don't forget, press the button saying I'm subscribing myself, and another time pressing again, just saying like or not, to improve myself or to be part of a very extraordinary people like you. Thank you. Lá vai a chalana, bem longe se vai, navegando o remanso do rio Paraguai. A chalana sem querer, tu aumentas minha dor nessas águas tão serenas. Vai levando meu amor, a chalana sem querer, tu aumentas minha dor, nessas águas tão serenas, vai levando meu amor. E assim ela se foi, mas de mim se despediu, a chalana vai sumindo na curva lá do rio. E se ela vai magoada, eu bem sei que tens razão. Fui ingrato, eu feri por teu pobre coração. Fui ingrato, eu feri por teu pobre coração. E assim ela se foi, nem de mim se despediu. A chalana vai sumindo lá na curva do rio. E se ela vai magoada, eu bem sei que tens razão. Fui ingrato, eu feri o teu pobre coração. That's a song. That's a song. It's a little romantic music, you know. No, it's not really romantic. The style of the rhythm, I mean, but the context, you know, it's a little romantic. It's talking about a sort of boat that you see on Pantanal. It's a hotel floating, you know, hotel floating, you know. Um, there is good rooms, you know, with air conditioning. The climate is very good inside. There's space enough for a couple or for a triplex, you know, and it's a day to stay in the Pantanal, navigating, you know, on the river, you know, understanding the fauna, flora, and watching the jaguar. It's a sort of included the jaguar tour, and it's interesting because there you can see many things. You can have some information about all food chain working out, you know, and then it's really interesting to come to Brazil, Mato Grosso, Pantanal, and understand what happened with the swamp, marsh, wetland called Pantanal. You know, it's a kind of scrub land. You know, and marvelous things can happen here. Understanding the nature and being direct in contact and see with the naked eyes how amazing things is perfect from the nature. Come, it will be a pleasure, okay? And talking about this song, just to finalize it, you know, it's about really a person that find another one, you know, in the boat, hotel floating, and with all histories and visiting Pantanal, met a very extraordinary people like you know, that is the same example to come to the Paradise Road called Transpontaneiro Road, you know, that's very interesting to come here, you know, come, it will be a pleasure to guide you. Thank you.